Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS deal update on Sunday June 20 to Saturday June 26, 2021. And these are all digital and printable coupon deal. Before we start, make sure you send to all your manufacturer digital coupon on your CVS app so you can combine with the digital and printable coupon deal. So let's look at my first deal. So my first deal is select Colgate Total Oral Care deal. Spend $10 on Colgate Total Oral Care and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 2 per household. You can buy one Colgate Total toothpaste 3 OZ. It's $4.79. Also you can buy one Colgate Total toothpaste. It's 4.8 OZ. It's $5.49. So altogether the totals come out $10.28. You can use one $2 of $5 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Also you can use $3 of 2 Colgate Total Optic White Sensitive Toothpaste Digital Coupon. So the total coupon is $5. Pay or roll $5.28 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just 28 cents or 14 cents each. My next deal is select Colgate Renewal Toothpaste or toothbrush and mouthwash deal. Spend $15 and get back $7 ECB. This one has a limit 2 per household. You can buy 2 Colgate Renewal Gum Toothpaste 3 OZ. It's $19.98. It's $9.99 each. You can use one 5 of $20 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Use one $3 of 2 Colgate Renewal Total Optic White or Sensitive Digital Coupon. This coupon is possibly glitch. With this coupon, also you can attach with the $3 of Colgate Gum Renewal Total Optic White or Sensitive Digital Coupon, and also we have one $2 of Colgate Gum Renewal or Optic White Toothpaste Digital Coupon. So the total coupon is $13 if it's glitch for the $3 of 2. Pay or roll $6.98 and get back $7 ECB. So the final cost is free. My next deal is Crease Toothpaste deal. Buy 2 and get back $3 ECB. This one has a limit 2 per household. It's on sale $3.99 each. You can buy 4 Creased Pro Health Advanced Toothpaste $15.96. It's $3.99 each. You can use one 4 of $16 Creased Oral Care CVS CRT. Also you can use one $1 of Creased Toothpaste Digital Coupon. This coupon is possibly glitch. Also we have one $6 of 4 Creased Oral Care Digital Coupon. This coupon is available on June 20. So the total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $4.96 and get back $6 ECB. So the final cost is free plus $1.04 money maker. My next deal is any Sick, Age, Skintimate or Bulldog product deals. It's scenario 1. Spend $25 and get back $10 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. You can buy one Sick Hydro Sick 3 refill. It's $12.49. Also you can buy one Sick Hydro Man Razor. It's $12.49. So the totals come out $24.98. You can use one 5 of $20 any Save Care product CVS CRT. Use one 4 of Sick Hydro Sick 3 refill CVS CRT. Also we have one $3 of Sick Man digital coupon and use one $3 of Sick Woman digital coupon. So the total coupon is $15. Pay or roll $9.98 and get back $10 ECB. So the final cost is free plus 2 cent money maker. My next deal is Sick, Age, Skintimate or Bulldog product deal scenario 2. Spend $25 and get back $10 ECB. You can buy 2 Sick Skintimate razor. It's $19.18. It's $9.59 each. Also you can buy one Sick Hydro Skin Comfort Save Cream. It's $8.29. So the totals come out $27.47. You can use 1 5 of $20 any Save Care product CVS CRT. Use 1 $4 of Choose Skintimate Razor CVS CRT. Use 1 $3 of Silk or Skintimate digital coupon and use 2 $3 of Silk Hydro Skin Face or Save Cream CVS CRT. So the total coupon is $18. Pay or roll $9.47 and get back $10 ECB. So the final cost is free plus 53-cent money maker. My next deal is any Goodline save or grooming deal. This one, it's part of buy one get one free. They don't have any extra buck back. You can buy 2 Goodline grooming nose and ear trimmer. It's $10.29 because it's buy one get one free. So the other one is free. Also, you can use one $5 of $10 Goodline grooming CVS CRT, and we have $1 of Goodline grooming tool app only coupon. So the total coupon is $6. Pay or roll $4.29. So the final cost is only just $4.29 or $2.15 each. My next deal is Iris Spring or Soft Body Wash deal. Buy 2 and get back $2 ECB. This one has a limit 3 per household and it's on sale $3.99 each. You can buy 2 Iris Spring body wash. It's $7.98. It's $3.99 each. Also, you can use $1 $3 of 2 Iris Spring body wash CVS CRT. Use 175 cent of Iris Spring printable coupon on irispring.com. Also, you can use $1 of Iris Spring or Soft body wash digital coupon. Maybe it's less than or maybe it's more. This coupon is available on June 20. So the total coupon is $4.75. Pay or roll $3.23 and get back $2 ECB. So the final cost is only just $1.23 or 61 cents each. My next deal is any CoverGirl cosmetic deal. Buy 2 CoverGirl product and get back $7 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. You can buy 2 CoverGirl Brow and Eye Maker eyeliner is $12.98. Also, you can buy 1 CoverGirl Clean Matte Concealer is $7.79. So the totals come out $20.77. You can use 1 6 of $20 CoverGirl Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use $1 $3 of CoverGirl Mystery coupon. It's printed on this week. Also, you can use $1 $3 of CoverGirl Face digital coupon and use 2 CoverGirl Eye digital coupon and use 1 printable coupon on coupon.com. So the total coupon is $18. Pay or roll $2.77 and get back $7 ECB. So the final cost is free plus $4.23 money maker. My next deal is L'Oreal hair care deal. Buy 2 and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household and it's on promotion. Buy 1 get 1 50% off. You can buy 3 L'Oreal shampoo or conditioner. It's $14.47. It's $5.79 each in my store. You can use $1 $3 of 3 nail care, hair care or hair color CVS CRT. Use 1 5 of L'Oreal $5 of 3 L'Oreal shampoo or conditioner printable coupon on coupon.com, but that coupon is no longer available. So the total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $6.47 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just $1.47 or 49 cents each. My next deal is Clairol hair care deal. Buy 2 and get back $4 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. You can buy 2 Clairol Nice and Easy permanent hair color. It's $16.98. It's $8.49 each. Also, you can use 1 buy 1 get 1 free Clairol hair color digital coupon. It took $7.99. Also, we have $1 $5 of 2 Clairol hair color digital coupon. This coupon is possibly glitch. So the total coupon is $12.99 and so you can pay or roll $3.99 and get back $4 ECB. So the final cost is free. My next deal is Total Home Household and Select of Repellent Deal Scenario 1. Spend 15 on Total Home and get back $5 ECB. So you can buy 5 Total Home plastic spoon 48 CT is $15.95. It's $3.99, $3.19 each. You can use one $3 of $9 Total Home CVS CRT. Also you can use one $2 of $7 just the basic CVS CRT. So the total coupon is $5. Pay or roll $10.95 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just $5.95 or $1.19 each. So always scan this 2 coupon, it's attached with this product always. So always scan the product with CRT, it's attached with the product. My next deal is Total Home Scenario 2. Spend 15 and get back $5 ECB. Buy one Total Home plastic cup 100 CT, it's $11.99. Also you can attach with this deal Total Home paper bowl is $3.99. So the totals come out $15.98. You can use one 3 of 9 Total Home CVS CRT. Also you can use one $2 of $7 just the basic CVS CRT. So the total coupon is $5. Pay or roll $10.98 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just $5.98 or $2.99 each. My next deal is household deal. Spend 30 and get back $10 ECB or spend 45 and get back $15 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. You can buy one by Voices Femini Pad 22 CT, it's $8.29. Also you can buy one Tide Pod 21 to 35 CT, it's $11.94. Also you can buy one Tide Liquid 92 FL OZ, it's $11.94. So the totals come out $42.17. You can use one $3 of one by Poises product CVS CRT. Use one $3 of one by Poises product printable coupon on poises.com. Also you can use one $3 of Tide Pod digital coupon and use one $3 of Tide Liquid digital coupon. So the total coupon is $12. Pay or roll $20.17 and get back $10 ECB, plus you can earn 5,000 points for one by Poises in fetch reward is equal to $5. If you don't have the fetch reward, my referral code is KK8HF. So the final cost all this product is $5.17 or $1.72 each. My next deal is food deal. If you have $2 of $8 candy CVS CRT, you can buy 2 Butterfingers single. It's $2. It's 2 for $2. Also you can buy 2 candy sharing size, it's 8 to 10.9 OZ, it's $6. It's 2 for $6. So the totals come out $8. You can use one $2 of $8 candy CVS CRT. Use one $1 of 2 candy CVS instant coupon printed this week. Also you can use one $1.60 off of 2 candy sharing printable coupon on coupon.com. Also you can use one $1 of 2 Hershey's or Butterfinger instant coupon. It's available on June 20. So the total coupon is $5.60. So the pay or roll $3.60 and get back $1 credit for the Butterfinger in checkout 51. This one has a up to 5 limit. So the final cost is only just $2.60 or 65 cents each. My last and final deal, if you have 5 of 25 any food CVS CRT, you can buy 3 Oreo cookie family size 10 to 20 OZ, it's $12. It's 3 for $12. Or you can buy 2 just the basic water, it's $5.98. It's $2.99 each. Also you can buy 2 Butterfinger singles, it's $2. Also you can buy 2 candy sharing size is 8 to 10.9 OZ, it's $6. 2 for $6. So the totals come out $25.98. Use 1 5 of 25 any food CVS CRT. Use $1 of 2 Oreo cookie CVS CRT. Use $1 of 2 Nabisco cookie including Oreo Nutter Butter CVS CRT. Use $2 of 2 just the basic water 6, 12 or 24 pack CVS CRT. Use $1.60 of 2 candy sharing size printable coupon on coupon.com. Use $1 of 2 sharing size CVS CRT, it's printed this week. And use $1 of 2 Hershey's or Butterfinger instant coupon, it's available June 20. So the total coupon is $12.60. So you can pay or roll $13.38 and get back $3 ECB for the Oreo cookie, because when you spend $12 they give you $3 back. Plus you can get $1 credit for the Butterfinger in checkout 51. So the final cost all this product is only just $9.38 or $1.04 each. So friend, this is my next week CVS couponing deal. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.